Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Marquee, Landers, and NLEX. Let's check it out.
This property is priced at 13.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 220 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport.
Guys, as we can see, we have this very beautiful modern design sa house with wooden details. Of course, we have this elevated 2-car carport, our pedestrian gate, and this nice patch of greenery here sa side ng house with this stone detail na tiling. Very nice, of course. Lights natin on the side. And as we enter sa pedestrian gate natin, elevated. To my right, we have this potential na pocket garden natin. Maganda. This wood design sa ating walls, and of course yung lights natin, which looks even better at night. To my left, we have this spacious carport, 2-car carport, well lighted sa ceiling natin. We have this power outlet and of course yung ating water faucet right here. Now, this is going to the back of the house. We have a space aside para additional space if you want to have a gathering. Pwede dyan. And this nice tile na wood design sa ating walls sa front ng house. Okay? Now, our front door is a wooden door with automated lock. Ayan. Let's go in. So, upon entry, napansin ko agad, guys, that we have this smart use of space right here. Under the stairs, ayan, meron tayong storage dyan. Come in. Really interesting ceiling design. Dito texture, dito smooth wood design. Your living area is right here. Sofa will go right here. We have outlets on either side. This very nice console right here sa ating front. Tons of storage sa baba. And of course, may open shelves tayo sa gilid, which are lighted if you want to showcase your awards or your collection. Very nice. Dining area is right here. Under this very nice light fixture, pwede dito 4 to 6-seater dining table. No problem. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, it's around 9 in the morning. Very bright and airy yung bahay. Okay? We have windows. This is your kitchen. So, we have this bar right here na pwede nating lagyan ng mga bar stools for, of course, your breakfast or if you want to use it as a daily dining area. We have this L-shaped kitchen. We have your sink. Guys, check nyo yung sink natin. No? They have this parang buttons lang, which is, I think, is very modern. Also, we have storage. We have your range hood. And of course, dito yun naman yung provision for your refrigerator. Ayan, nakaabang na yung outlets natin. Another window. This door leads to the side of the house. Now guys, this one is the toilet and bath sa ground floor natin. Okay? We have our sink. Interesting shape ng sink. Toilet. And of course, your rainfall shower head na parang modern din kasi button na siya. And of course, we have a window right here for natural light and ventilation. Guys, nalagpasan natin. Kaya babalikan natin. We have this pantry right here. Dito naman lalagay yung mga groceries or yung mga canned goods natin dyan. We have a bedroom sa ground floor. Talampasan ko siya guys. No? Upon entry dito, to the left, meron tayong bedroom sa ground floor natin. This is sa harap ng garahe natin. We have this nice space right here. We have built-in cabinets dito for your outfits. And this one is perfect if you want to have an home office or your elderly room or just a room na pwedeng gamitin if you don't want to go up and down the house. Okay? Now, we have this room under the stairs, another smart use of space because this is a storage room. Okay? So, hindi na sayang yung space under the stairs. Now, let's one more look sa ating living area, our console, and of course, our dining area. Behind this sliding door, which is, by the way, my screen, if you want mag-flow lang yung air, di ba? Protected ka sa mga insects dyan. We have our daily kitchen right here. We have a countertop, our sink for your laundry, and more space paikot ng house going to the side hanggang garahe. For reference guys, ayan siya. Malawak siya. So pwede ka pa magkaroon ng long table dito or seating area. It's up to you. Let's go back in. Interesting din yung design ng stairs natin because this is the first time na makakita ko na nilagyan pa nila ng PVC panels yung area dito. Kasi usually, plain lang yan. Very nice, no? Wooden steps, wooden handrail with metal support. Meron tayong malaking window dito that lets in natural light. We are now at the second floor. So let me just turn this on. Upon landing, meron tayong console dito which can be, of course, tong area na to can be a family area or a study if you have kids, di ba? Pwede dito. We have outlets right there. May ceiling fan tayo. Malaking space siya. Okay? Now, let's check this bedrooms right here. Bedroom number 1 sa taas. Wow, it's nice Ang ganda rin nung flooring niya kasi wooden design na tiles siya. We have a generous space right here. Your bed will go right here. We have a console in front. Of course, meron ding mga wooden details dito. And you have a built-in cabinet and built-in vanity with drawers yan. Okay? Meron pang storage sa taas. By the way guys, installed na rin yung air conditioning which is branded na Daikin, which is a very good brand. Not paid Daikin, baka naman. Yan, remote control. Second bedroom. Similar to the first bedroom. Ayan, ito yung morning sun sa side ng house. Really nice space. Windows on either side. Bed will go right here. You have a console right here. Built-in cabinets. And of course, your built-in vanity with drawer. Nice. Thus, this door is your shared bathroom for the 2 rooms. Okay. Ito spacious din siya. We have this interesting design na sink. We have a toilet and your shower na rainfall shower head. May window for ventilation and natural light. And of course, yung shampoo niche dito. Okay? Now let's check the master bedroom. Upon entry, you will be amazed on how spacious this master bedroom is. For reference, there. Of course, we have this balcony right here later. Tayo dyan. We have this nice console right here na may marble design with storage underneath. We have our built-ins here, cabinet and your built-in vanity right here. We have this door right here for your mini balcony. And of course, we have our master bathroom right here. Hindi namin to nahalata kanina. So, here. Upon entry, you have a double sink, his and her sink. lighted ang ating mirrors, of course. Very nice details sa ating wall and ceiling. Tapos, in here, we have our toilet, our enclosed shower with this sliding door. Spacious din siya. Of course, rainfall shower head. This modern buttons for our shower. Really nice. You have a spacious balcony right here. Guys, this is in the morning, the sun is right here. And napansin ko guys, no, yung curb appeal ng house is very nice because ang ganda nitong light strip dito going around dyan. Diba? Tas yung dark color nagko-complement dun sa wooden design ng house. A lot of space right here. Ang ganda. Okay? Now let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 13.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 220 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.